Alright, let's talk about a tool that every PC user should know about, Ashampoo UnInstaller. Whether you're a casual user or a power user, this software can make a real difference in how you manage your computer. It's one of those programs that quietly works in the background, but its impact is huge when it comes to keeping your system clean and running smoothly. Now, if you're like me, you've probably installed a ton of programs over the years, from games and photo editors to those random apps you tried once and forgot about. Our computers end up being a graveyard of old software, trial versions, and utilities we barely remember installing. Over time, all these programs can really start to pile up, cluttering your system and making it harder to find what you actually use. But here's the thing, just deleting them doesn't really get rid of all their leftovers. Uninstalling the usual way often leaves behind hidden files, registry entries, and other digital debris that can slow down your PC or even cause annoying errors later on. That's where Ashampoo UnInstaller comes in. So, what makes it different? Well, when you install something, Ashampoo keeps track of every single change that program makes to your system. It's like having a digital notepad that records every file, folder, and registry tweak, so nothing slips through the cracks. We're talking files, folders, registry entries, the lot. Even those sneaky files that hide deep in your system folders or obscure registry keys that most users never see. Then, when you want to uninstall it, Ashampoo makes sure every trace is wiped clean. It's like the program was never there in the first place. You don't have to worry about leftover junk clogging up your hard drive or causing conflicts with other software. One feature I really like is the ability to monitor installations automatically. This means you don't have to remember to start tracking every time you install something new. Ashampoo's got your back. No need to remember to start tracking manually. The software quietly observes every installation so you can just focus on using your computer the way you want. Just install as usual, and Ashampoo takes note of everything in the background. It's seamless, and you barely notice it's there until you need it. That means when you're ready to get rid of something, you can trust it's all gone. No weird files slowing down your computer or popping up errors later. Your PC stays fast, responsive, and free from the clutter that builds up over time. Plus, it's not just about uninstalling. Ashampoo UnInstaller helps you take control of your entire software environment, making it easy to keep things organized and efficient. You can manage browser plugins and extensions, clean up junk files, and even get rid of those annoying toolbars that sometimes sneak into your browser. It's a one-stop shop for digital decluttering. And if you're the kind of person who likes to try out new software, Ashampoo's snapshot feature is a lifesaver. It lets you take a before and after picture of your system, so you can see exactly what's changed and roll everything back if something goes wrong. This is especially useful if you're testing beta software or making big changes to your system. You get peace of mind knowing you can always restore your computer to its previous state with just a few clicks. And if you've ever struggled to remove those stubborn programs that just won't budge, yeah, Ashampoo can handle those too. Some apps are notorious for refusing to uninstall, but this tool gives you the power to force them out. Force removal is just a click away. No more digging through folders or Googling weird error codes. It's a huge time saver and takes the frustration out of cleaning up your PC. At the end of the day, it's about keeping your PC running smooth, clutter-free, and fast. A well-maintained computer isn't just more enjoyable to use, it can actually last longer and save you money on repairs or upgrades. If you want to take control of what's on your system and get rid of digital junk for good, Ashampoo UnInstaller is definitely worth a look. It's a simple way to keep your digital life organized and stress-free. Give it a try, and you might be surprised at just how much cleaner your computer can feel. You'll notice the difference in speed, reliability, and overall performance, making your everyday computing experience that much better.